Hey guys, what is going on? I hope you're all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can escape Bloodskal Barrow in the Skyrim Dragonborn DLC, so let's get right into it. Bloodskal Barrow is pretty much a classic Skyrim dungeon located on the island of Solstheim. It is in the Dragonborn DLC, so it is not in vanilla Skyrim. However, these days, who doesn't have all the DLCs? It is just a normal dungeon up to the very end, where it does change a bit. It is part of a quest line. It is, I think, a mine, where some guy sends you to loot the body of his uncle or whoever who died in the mines. And once you actually make it to the end of the actual dungeon, you will find his corpse, and near his corpse or on his corpse, what you will find is the Bloodskal Blade. This is a unique greatsword which has a unique property, and that is that its power attacks send out sort of a wave of energy which damages anything it touches or any creature it touches. It is basically just the Master Sword from Zelda. When you're full health, it shoots projectiles. Only here, I don't think you have to be full health. But yeah, at the end, when you actually find the blade, you will find this door, and as you will see, you have these red slits on this door, and what you're going to want to do is just shoot them with your power attacks to actually unlock the door or the gate. The vertical ones, you just want to do a standing power attack aimed at them, and you will also have vertical ones, vertical red lines, which you want to do a sidestep power attack, so just move either left or right and do a power attack, and you will send out a horizontal wave of energy, and doing that and doing everything in order will actually unlock the door, and that is pretty much it. Then you can escape and you're done with the quest, and that's been it for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will be seeing you in another video.